Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect blocks in Simulink. We'll start by covering the fundamental ways to link components, ensuring your models function correctly. You'll learn about direct line connections, where you simply draw a line, and also how to use port-to-port linking for efficient signal flow. This guide will help you build clear and effective simulation diagrams. The most straightforward way to connect blocks is by dragging a direct line. Simply click and hold on an output port, then drag your mouse to the desired input port and release. It's crucial to ensure that the data types and signal dimensions are compatible between the connected ports. This method is perfect for establishing clear, one-to-one signal paths in your model. For a more organized approach, try smart connections and auto-routing. Just click once on an output port, then click on the target input port. Simulink will automatically draw the most efficient and visually appealing path between them, avoiding block overlaps. This feature is incredibly helpful for maintaining a clean and readable model, especially with many connections. Beyond direct lines, advanced techniques enhance model clarity. You can branch a signal line by dragging from an existing line or merge multiple lines into one. For connections spanning long distances, use go-to and from blocks to avoid clutter. Additionally, bus creator and selector blocks help manage multiple related signals as a single entity, simplifying complex systems significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.